Welcome to 24trains.tv, the platform that takes you along the most beautiful train holidays in the world. In this episode, the Bernina Express in Switzerland. This time, we won't start at a train station, but we fly from Schiphol to Zurich using Swiss. The view may be a little less beautiful than from a train, but we do find ourselves in Switzerland in under an hour and a half. Another great benefit of flying to Zurich: we are on the train before we know it. On my way to Chur, the starting point of the Bernina Express, I immediately get a little taste of Switzerland's varied scenery. But the pictures that I am taking now are of course a lot less stunning than the ones we will be able to shoot later. The Bernina Express is considered one of the most beautiful train journeys in Europe. In this report, we will show you why. It actually has less to do with the train itself or the history of the railway line. The landscapes and the genius works of engineering are the true stars of the Bernina Express. We will also be visiting winter sports destinations such as Pontresina and majestic Sankt Moritz.